Okay, so have you heard itraconazole is reversing autism or autism symptoms in some kids? And the reason that this is because these kids are completely overloaded with candida and yeast, which is wreaking havoc on the rest of their body and causing symptoms that are being called autism. This is, of course, not the case in every kid, because every child with autism is one child with autism with very different underlying things going on. But candida overgrowth, yeast overgrowth, small intestinal fungal overgrowth, and bacterial overgrowth are very common in kids with autism. So I'm going to talk about a better way to get rid of candida, why it makes sense, and why it works. So obviously every kid is different. Some may need actual medication, but I can tell you personally that even I was struggling with yeast infections after all of the things that I do, all the things that I teach you guys on here. I was getting them every other month, basically. I think coffee was a really big trigger, which, if you don't know, coffee, if you're not buying it mold-free, third-party tested, they all have mold in them. So for me, it was causing lots of yeast infections, which caused me to go kind of on a spiral, like, everything that I do, why am I still getting this? Do I have to be on a parasite cleanse my entire life? All of these things. Until now, I have gone 8 months without a yeast infection, and I'll tell you why and how that relates to your kiddo with autism. So I started an immune modulator. If you go to my page, and you click on the link, there's 2 immune modulators. The second one, it's a green and white bottle, Alovia Immune. I've been taking that and Alovia Core, which is a prebiotic, a probiotic, and it has the immune proprietary blend, which is from an Alovia leaf. So a lot of you know, like, aloe is very good for the gut. This is a very high potent extract from the aloe leaf called Acemannan, and it does a lot for the body, and getting rid of candida or controlling candida is one of them, and I'll explain a little bit as to how. So I'm going to show you this chart here, but Acemannan, for the first time in my life, has allowed my food sensitivities and true gut healing, and it's shocking to me, but this is what's happening. The Acemannan plays a very big role on upregulating our immune system. It addresses Th1, Th2 balance. It addresses dendritic cells. Dendritic cells play a big role in the gut. It actually is helping leaky gut. There's so many things on the market, but I have found this one to be true. And gut health, leaky gut, food sensitivities, and immune system dysregulation are top of the issues for these kiddos with autism. So it is going to improve the immune system by all of the things that I just mentioned. It is reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. It is helping the body produce glutathione, which is our master antioxidant, our master detoxifier, and regulating the immune system the way that a supplement cannot do. The immune system is incredibly complex. And like I was saying, these dendritic cells on the gut lining play a big role in food sensitivities. And Acemannan improves all of these things. So this is a way that you can look into to helping your child's candida overgrowth in a very natural, very safe way. There's no interactions with any other drugs or food or anything like that. It is safe. It is from the aloe vera plant. And I just highly suggest that you look into it. But for now, drop all of your questions below so that I can answer them. Follow for more for cellular health, deep actual healing for your kiddo with neurodivergence. And I'll see you next time.